Yes, good morning students. Today we are going to learn a numerical method for fitting a curve. So for fitting a curve by method of least square. So these curve can be of any type, means the curve can be a linear curve, or we can say straight line, or any quadratic curve, or any cubic curve, means any higher degree polynomial we can fit by method of least square. So first of all we will learn how to fit a straight line. For this you must have given some data values, like for some x values you must have some y values, and you have to find out the equation of a straight line. For this we will assume that let the equation of the line be y is equal to a plus bx, or sometimes you can write y is equal to ax plus b in any way. Okay, so this is your equation of the straight line. For this, what you will do by least square method, you will take sum. Sigma y is equal to, you will say sigma a plus b is a constant, take it outside, and like this. So sigma a means if you have some number of datas, say n number of datas, so you have to take the summation up to n terms. So here this will be like this only, sigma y, but here a will be outside and this will be 1. So 1 will be n. So na, it will be na. I will write it like this. Na or an plus b sigma x. This is your first equation, and what you will do next, you multiply it by x. So multiplying equation number 1 by x, so this will be ax plus bx square. Now taking sum, or sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. So you get these two equations. These two equations are called normal equations, and using these two equations means we will solve these two equations which are in a and b, and these values we will calculate by the given data. And when we will put these values in these two equations, we will get the values of a and b. So here these equations are called, these equations means these equations 2 and 3 are called normal equations. And using these two normal equations, we will solve them for a and b, and we will get the values of a and b. Putting the values of a and b, we will get a linear relation between y and x, or a straight line, equation of a straight line. Just see this example. It is asking or saying that fit a straight line for the following data. Data is given, means for x you have this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and corresponding to these x you have these y values. So you have to fit a straight line. For this, what you will do, you will make a table like this, x, y. So x will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and y here is 1, 1.8, 3.3, 4.5, 6.3. So you see, you have to use these two equations, and you need sigma y, sigma xy, sigma x already here, and sigma x square. So first of all you need sigma. So sigma x will be, sigma y will be something, and then you need sigma x square also. So making x square, you will get 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So you will get sigma x square here. Then xy, multiply xy, so this will be 0, 1.8, this is 6.6, 13.5, 25.2. Okay, so this will be sigma xy. Now you get all these four values, sigma y here, sigma x here, sigma xy here, and sigma x here. Getting these values, I am quoting these values from the answers. Sigma x is coming out to be 10, yes. Sigma y is 16.9. 16.9. Sigma x square comes out to be 47.1. No, sorry, sigma x square is 30. Sigma xy is 47.1. Okay, you get this. Now we'll put these values in this and we can solve sigma x using normal equations. Using these values in normal equations. So sigma y, first equation number 2 will give you sigma y was 16.9 is equal to NA or AN. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5A plus B sigma x. B sigma x is coming 10. So 10B. And equation 3 will gives you, equation 3 is sigma xy, so you will write 47.1 is equal to A sigma x, so 10A plus B sigma x square, that is 30x square. So now these equations you can solve. These two linear equations you will get, sigma x square was, this is 30b, not x square, 30b. We will solve it.